lane switch for your motherfucking ass. You hear me? That's young lane switch for your motherfucking ass. We'll be right back.
Yeah. But nah. Yeah. Yeah. When I trap and I'm getting off a load, I can call Lil Trap, he come through with them bows. You ain't touching no pack, you in love with these hoes. 4932, I can't change on my bro. Hit him on the Glock, I'ma aim for his nose. Yeah, young heavy, his pockets on swole. Big gun to the face, bitch, you know I'm a roll. Know I'm serving this dope, you can't get this in stove.
Hey, slide that bitch! Get that bitch right!
I know it's been a minute since we've been down here, but we back, baby.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Let me try to get stupid in that bitch. Stupid in that motherfucker. But nah, man. But then y'all tapped into another motherfucker. Y'all ain't switch your video.
Hey, these niggas got me out here with no fade. I don't even look like
I ain't got no fade either, nigga. You tripping. But nah, man, we out there motherfucking meat. You see what's going on in the background? Whoa! Oh, you going a little too wide. But nah, man. Oh God, we in this bitch. Oh God, we in this motherfucker. We ain't been in the meat in a minute. We got everybody going up. Got the blue bitch, red bitch. Oh shit! That nigga sliding. Oh God, nigga, what? I might need to scoot back a little bit more. Shit. Oh shit, it's a little phone there. A little phone there, TV. Wait, who gonna turn the spot up? Oh yeah, we gotta do an intro. Man, young line switching that damn motherfucker. We gotta do the intro, but nah, man, monetize. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and watch all the ads. What?
I said, yeah, get me on here in the back, man. You know, that's all I want.
Right there. That's a cat! That's a kitty! Oh, yeah, it's a kitty! Oh shit! It's a kitty cat!
You got A-Rab on the back of it.
It's a pretty cat! Damn! He didn't let us see that. Goddamn it, shit! Goddamn!
Is that a stack?
Hey, nah, this is my first time.
You got the ball. You got the
Okay.
I remember that nigga. You don't remember that nigga?
Yeah, nigga.
What you said you was finna? You said you finna walk that bitch in this hoe? You finna walk that bitch in this hoe? You gotta put the young lane switcher block on your face. Walk that bitch, get that. Yeah, nigga, you forgot, nigga. Get right. bad boy, man. Y'all better stop playing. I know it don't want to go right. That bitch still got right, though. Finna make me pull that black shit. Trying to tell him in this bitch. Oh, that's my nigga. What's up, nigga? Young Lane Switcher shit for your motherfucking ass. You hear me? That's Young Lane Switcher shit for your motherfucking ass. We'll be right back.
Yo, Young Lane Switchers. But nah, man, we gone. Look, the three amigos. Look, we gone. He over there playing copyright. Look, playing copyright.
It's a gang, baby. We all in separate cars and shit. But y'all was just, y'all got a little banger, you know? Nigga still ain't got no haircut. That nigga played back there flicking y'all out. Shit, y'all know what's going on, man. A whole lot of wireless shit, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Y'all niggas keep motherfucking switching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. You need.
And we out. Oh yeah, make sure y'all watch through them ads too. But no, man, we out. Stay tuned.
I like your cut, G.
Whoa!
Hey, switch your game, baby. I'm in the car with Savine. I got a motherfucking Blade back there.
Hey man, y'all know what the fuck going on.
Hey man, so we at the first little spot. You nigga go ready to truck. Hey, you gotta tell that nigga to move, man. That nigga gotta go. That nigga gotta go. I don't trust everybody.
Hey, tell me why I seen a video on Facebook where niggas bullying niggas at the pit. Nigga, you ain't never bullied.
That nigga spitty in this
I
bitch.
get that channel right here, right here, right here, right here.
You ready? Smoking like a motherfucker. Smokey Jones. Nah, them motherfuckers was smoking like a motherfucker. Smokey Jones. Smokey Jones like a bitch.
Hey, was my shit sparking?
Was it sparking?
Was my shit sparking?
Let me see. Hold on.
Stupid with it. Y'all keep playing with them. Don't play with them. Oh God, straight Young Lane Switcher shit. Yeah, man, you gotta tell these niggas what the fuck we doing, man.
So y'all like,
Man, we fucking these tires up, man. Y'all better quit playing. Look at this nigga right here.
Hey, dump that bitch in second.
we gonna have a bitch on fire.
Hey, bro, don't go too dumb, bro. We gotta go home, bro. I ain't trying to put no spurs on. I'm gonna get it from this angle, y'all. So this nigga say he wanna go around the truck and get it from over here. popping like a bit. Damn, y'all, we out here though. It's a couple motherfuckers out here. It's a couple people out here. But shit, man, we gonna get back to y'all when niggas start sliding again. Y'all know how this shit goes.
18 women. But nah, man. We did a little bit cutting up.
Man, it cold motherfucker.
Shit,
We really
that
had to
right
get
there, that motherfucker 3 man, they shit. But nah, man, shit. We just got done sliding them motherfuckers. Y'all got the footage, shit. Y'all gonna see the footage anyways, but shit, now shit, we basically the only swingers out here. Ain't nobody else swinging.
I don't know. If this nigga smack the truck, I got it. If this nigga
One wheel.
park that bitch, man. It's one wheeler.
This side or
Hey, show me some.
That thing scared daddy. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna smack that bitch. Oh, hold on, niggas. It's so much shit going on. Hey. There's so much shit going on. What the fuck? Damn! There's some more shit over here. There's so much shit going on out here. I'm gonna be back to y'all when motherfuckers get back to sliding. They'll keep switching. What we been waiting for, nigga?
Oh, he lit out here. Yeah, the camera finna die. The motherfucking camera died, shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on, sit my head. The camera died, shit. We gonna get the video to y'all. Oh shit! Okay then, man. Hold on, let me see. Damn, you got brand new tires, nigga. Oh God, bro. Damn. Shit, hold on, let's check the motherfucker. God, hold on, that's a pop.
What the fuck is that?
Who's that? Oh, we missed it. Oh, shit.
Let me see that dick.
Damn.
Let me see that dick.
Damn. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, shit, that nigga tripping. Damn. Cut up on who you tripping, BJ? Damn. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? If y'all gonna scratch, scratch. If y'all gonna scratch, scratch. It don't bring no burners and shit out. Shit.
I'm gonna pick the best time to walk in this house. Y'all get right. Y'all get right, this bitch. These niggas out there sliding this shit still. Get right, bro. Get right, bro. Y'all niggas gotta get me right, bro. I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on y'all. How long, man? We got a 3-way tandem coming in this house, man. You can't be pulling in the middle of this house. Hey, back that truck up, man. Back that truck up, man. We trying to get right in this bitch. Y'all niggas want a show, we gonna give you one. Y'all niggas got me wasting footage. This all finna die, folks.
A few moments later.
You gotta drop a comment.
Comments first.
Drop a comment. We on live right now.
Hurry up.
Hurry up before the thing. It's finna die. Hurry up. I gotta drop a comment. Quay B said wireless.
12.
Oh, they say wireless.
Y'all talking that shit. Talk y'all shit.
I'm trying to fix it, bro.
Talk y'all shit.
It's kinda blurry. Say it. Wireless. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y'all better get the video. So y'all see the video, y'all gonna remember it. Oh, that was the day they went live with us.
So, it's tandem time again. Tandem part 2 time. Hold on, y'all see? Where he at? Come on, nigga. You want to turn this bitch up?
Oh, there you go. There on my nigga.
There you go. So we doing another 3-valve tandem. We missing one of them, but we finna do another one.
Got me some old head, sir, you a bow. Bitch, I'm a legend with feelings. Ask me about something, I'll tell you I don't know. Gotta stick to the code. My life is out of no script, I ain't wrote.